Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. I can also be reached on Twitter, where I post regularly using the @fibstalker nickname. Good morning. Today is Sunday, October 28th, 2012, and it's 2:30 p.m. Italian time. Italian time, it's GMT +1. This is a euro-dollar review only for subscriber that I'm going to send tonight in my newsletter, as part of my newsletter. You can subscribe my newsletter by going to www.fibonaccistalking.com. On the left side you will find a link you can click and input some information. You'll get the newsletter for free. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart of the euro USD Forex pair. The reason why I don't choose the future for long-term charts is because I do not have access to, we don't have access to more than 10 years data. What you see on the screen is this huge bull flag we have on the euro, and we had support recently in this 122 area. We had it in 2010, and again we had it in recently. Now for what we see at the moment, this is a sideways move. It's huge, and we can expect price to go higher to 149, 150, maybe even higher. But if this is a long setup, and if this setup will be respected, and if the dollar is going to get very, very weak, we don't know that. It's possible that the price of the euro will go up to 178 area. Now this seems so far, and we definitely are looking ahead of ourselves, but we need to keep this in mind. For the time being, we'll assume that the price, euro price, is destined to go higher and into this sideways area here. Let's move to the daily chart, and the daily chart, we have noticed recently that we had this failure of the measure move higher, lower, above 129.68, and so the euro is in a bullish it's in a bullish market at the moment, and we have in a corrective action. This corrective action has been sideways since the mid of September, basically, and there are two possibilities here that we investigate and dwell on in this weekend's newsletter. And one is that price gets to 128.20, 30 area, and then it bounces, or price continues lower and we get to 126.20 area, and then we bounce from here. So I believe this is going to be resolved the next 2 weeks, and at the moment we have a stronger dollar which is pushing this the price of the euro downward. So going into more detail on what happened this week, we had this first measure move lower. We traded this on Monday and then again on Tuesday, and this move reached 129.90 area, first target, and then again 129.40 area, and then it inverted, and I was thinking of a continuation lower, but price broke the next extension short, and price came back all the way halfway back into the 130-40 area, 30-40 area. And actually we could also, but this is only based on observation, we could also observe that indeed the real price that traded, the real area and price that traded was 130.30 and not 130.40. So this short setup has a first target in 28.74. we haven't touched that because the low of the week was 28.87. So What we expect is a continuation lower into this target and definitely into this 128.30 area of support, and we might continue lower at the beginning of the week, or we might even have a bounce here, and I would consider a good area of resistance the 129.60 area. I also have stop loss above the 129.76 area for my swing short position. You may want to have that short above if you can above 129.81, which is this 20-day moving average, which is flattening out, however. But I believe, it seems more probable that price would keep moving lower, straight lower by the beginning of the week. We don't know that, so we will have to wait. And this is it for this weekly review. I hope this is useful, and if you want to receive, I typically publish this information 6 days later on Saturdays. If you want to get this information before, just go to my website and sign up for the newsletter on the left side. I thank you very much for your attention and your interest, and I wish you a very good Sunday and a very good trading week next week. Bye bye.